Marriage is a call to oneness of two persons.
Kilala kami, first meeting namin dun sa Taguig nung recognition nila sa Coast Guard. Pero that time, hindi daw niya ako type. Hindi ko rin naman siya type kasi may jowa ako that time. Tapos, ayun, mas naging close kami nung last year. Nung pandemic. Nung time na may situation, ako, andyan si Pen lagi. Lagi siyang nandyan. To make me smile, nagpaplano siya lagi dati ng swimming, outings with friends. Yan. Dinala-dala lang niya ako sa mga pa-outing niya. Tapos, pa-surprise ng birthday ko, ayan, bongga, kabog.
Meron na kaming contact is last year nung fiesta dun sa amin May 17. In-invite din namin kasama yung tropa ko hanggang doon na nagsimula talaga hanggang ngayon di namin pinatanggal kaya
this is where it all begins. This is where it all begins. A moment to feel alive. This is where it all begins. A moment to feel alive. This is where it all begins. A moment this good to you, best day of our lives.
Stephen, believe that God bless you on your wedding day and every day of your marriage life.